Hi everyone, welcome to our day 4 Hong Kong city tour. So today we're gonna go to Victoria's Peak and Sky Terraces. So again, we're gonna take the MTR to meet our Klook tour guide. So we purchased the ticket again via Klook mobile app to save us the hassle from falling in line and purchasing the ticket. So see you later. Bye. Hi, welcome back to KCW TV. So we're here at Central Station. So today is Sunday, July 22. Time check 11:45 a.m. So we're here to meet our Klook tour guide, and that person will take us to the peak. So for today, we're gonna ride the classic peak tram going to peak, and we're also gonna experience Sky Terraces. So later we'll show you how it's like on that spot. So I'm gonna let you see around. So if you can notice, there's a lot of Pinoys and Pinays here because today is Sunday. So normally day off nila yan, and they come together here, you know, to celebrate and eat a lot. Yeah. So yun muna for now. Mabalik ang KCW TV. Hi guys, welcome back. So we're here at the Peak Tram Tower waiting for our tram to arrive. So again, it's best if you purchase your ticket via Klook because it's gonna save you a lot of time falling in line and purchasing ticket. Plus, you have a personal tour guide that will take you to the tower, so you don't need to, you know, ask for people around. Just get to the Peak Tower. Bye. There's our tram. So hopefully we can get a seat kasi no guarantee daw. And we're inside the tram going to the peak. So medyo pataas siya. So medyo nakaliyant ako. Yan. See you later. Bye. Hi! So we're here now at Peak Tram Tower. So time check 1:06 p.m. So we're gonna take our lunch first dito sa Hong Kong Day before we explore.
Go!
Hey, what's up, y'all? So we're here now at the peak with that view overlooking, and the girl taking a selfie.
Go!
Hi guys, welcome back to KCW TV. So today, time check 2:39 in the afternoon. So we are now here at the Sky Terraces 360. We're in. We have a complete view of the Hong Kong. So it's kind of windy, but it's cool because it's not that sunny. It's just foggy. So at my back, the entire view, and then I'm so near experience with the mountains. So that's on my right side. So that's a great view that you can enjoy. So just take pictures, then just enjoy the view. So that's it for KCW TV. Peace out. Special guest. So, why don't you introduce yourself?
My name is Maxim from Russia, 15 years old, and I'm visited Hong Kong for 2 days ago. This is wonderful place, I think,
Okay, so
because they're very expensive, very expensive for me.
okay.
I'm from middle of Russia and KCTV.
Thanks. Enjoy your stay. And welcome back to KCW TV. So that's it for our day 4 Hong Kong city tour here at Peak Tram Tower and Sky Terraces 360. So we're gonna head back to the city and then we'll cap off our Sunday by visiting Hong Kong.